Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to hide photos and videos on your Redmi 14C. So if you have any photo or any video that you'd like to hide it, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is launch the gallery app on your device. And then once you launch the gallery app, find the photo or video that you'd like to hide. So let's say for instance it's this particular photo, you can tap on it. And then from the options that appear, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. And then from the options that appear, select Add to Album. Now at this point, all you have to do is select Private Album. So tap on that. And then you will see this prompt to view your items you made private. Swipe down in the albums. So tap on OK. And then now you have to set a privacy protection password for that particular album. So draw a pattern that you'd like to use. And then you have to confirm it and then tap on next. And then you will be prompted to sign into your Xiaomi account in case you forgot your password and you'd like to reset it. So if you'd like to do that, simply tap on add and then type in your details for your Xiaomi account. But for me, I'll just select not now. And there you go. That particular photo has been added on your private album. And now you can see it has disappeared. You can repeat the same for all the other photos and videos you'd like to hide. So let's say if this one particular, let's say this is a video. If you like to hide that particular video, open it and then tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner and then tap on add to album and select private album. And then confirm the option and that image or video will be added to your private album. So that's basically it on how to hide photos and videos on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.